Atma Ramascha Munayo Nirgranthapi Urukrame Kurvanti Ahaituking Bhakting Itham Bhuta Guna. Atma Rama, those who are deriving joy from within their soul, from the spiritual Atma, those who are content in their spiritual identity or in spirit soul. Those Munayas, very, very exalted sages, very exalted saintly personalities, those who derive their joy from within. Like you see, materialistic people derive their joy from without, through their sense gratification. The senses try to gratify by exploiting the objects of the senses. That's the regular human being's condition. But the liberated soul are those who have completely withdrawn their senses from our external projection, and internally they are deriving their joy from their spiritual identity, spiritual ecstasy, spiritual bliss. So those saintly personalities, those who derive their joy from within, Atma Ramascha Munayo, Nirgrantha, those who have become totally free from all bondage. Granthi means knot. The hearts have knots, various knots with which we are tied down to the material nature. But these personalities have become totally free from those knots of the hearts. Nirgranthapi. Yet, that means these liberated souls become engaged in loving devotional service to the Supreme Personality of God. Nirgranthapi urukrame kurvanti ahaituking bhaktim. Render unconditional devotional service to Urikram, to the Supreme Personality. So, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya gave his explanation, but Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave his explanations without touching Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya's explanations. And the bottom line of that verse actually was that you are saying that liberation is the ultimate goal. Then how come the liberated souls become engaged in devotional service? Therefore, devotional service to Krishna is higher than achieving liberation. And the goal of life is not to merge with the Lord, but the goal of life is to become surrendered to the Lord in devotional service.